financial scam can affect thousands? Today, we delve into the notorious 1CSR funds scam that has shaken the foundations of trust. This is no ordinary fraud. It's a tale of deceit that has left many in turmoil, both financially and emotionally. The 1CSR funds scam stands as a grim reminder of the vulnerabilities within our financial systems. As news of the scam broke, shockwaves rippled through communities, sparking outrage and disbelief. People who once felt secure in their investments now find themselves grappling with uncertainty. The magnitude of this fraud has not only affected individual lives, but has also triggered a call for justice within the legal corridors of Kerala. The plea filed in the Kerala High Court under the Buds Act seeks accountability and aims to restore faith in the system. Join us as we uncover how this scam unfolded and explore the legal actions currently in motion. Stay with us as we navigate through this intricate web of deceit, legal battles, and the quest for justice. Let's break down how this elaborate scam was executed, affecting countless investors. At its core, the 1CSR funds scam was a meticulously crafted operation that exploited trust and financial vulnerabilities. Key figures behind the scenes orchestrated a web of deceit, drawing in unsuspecting investors with promises of high returns. These individuals, often cloaked in credibility, crafted false narratives and manipulated financial data to sustain their fraud. The impact on investors and stakeholders was devastating. Lives were upended as savings vanished overnight, leading to financial ruin for many. Families were left grappling with the loss as trust in financial institutions plummeted. The ripple effects extended beyond individual losses, shaking the very foundations of market stability. Understanding the mechanics of this scam unveils the cunning strategies employed to bypass regulatory oversight and exploit legal loopholes. This insight sets the stage for the subsequent legal battles as affected parties seek justice. The plea in Kerala High Court marks a crucial turning point, demanding accountability and paving the way for legal redress. In the wake of the 1CSR funds scam, a pivotal legal move was made in the Kerala High Court. This plea, submitted under the Buds Act, marks a significant step towards seeking justice and accountability. The court was presented with compelling arguments, each meticulously crafted to expose the depths of this financial fraud. Lawyers argued passionately, highlighting how the scam not only breached trust, but also left countless investors in turmoil. The Buds Act serves as a crucial legal framework in this battle, designed to protect individuals against financial exploitation. This plea isn't just about punishing those responsible, it's about setting a precedent to deter future scams and restore public confidence. The legal team outlined the scam's mechanics, presenting evidence of deceit and manipulation. Their arguments stressed the urgency for judicial intervention to prevent further damage and ensure that those affected receive justice. Through this plea, the Kerala High Court becomes a beacon of hope for those wronged by the scam. As we delve deeper into this narrative, we begin to see how the legal system responds to financial misconduct. The plea not only seeks retribution, but also aims to reform regulatory practices, emphasizing the importance of vigilance in safeguarding financial integrity. Next, we'll examine the intricacies of the Buds Act and its role in combating fraud. The Buds Act stands as a pillar in the fight against financial fraud. In this segment, we dive into its crucial role in addressing scams like the 1CSR funds scandal. At its core, the Buds Act provides a robust framework designed to tackle and prevent financial fraud through stringent legal measures. In the case of the 1CSR funds scam, the Buds Act is pivotal. It underscores the plea in the Kerala High Court, urging decisive legal action against those responsible. By invoking this act, the plea highlights how such legal tools can be instrumental in dismantling fraudulent operations and protecting investors. If the plea is successful, it could set a precedent, showcasing the power of targeted legislation in safeguarding financial integrity. It may lead to significant consequences for those involved and potentially alter the landscape of financial regulation in India. As we continue, let's examine the broader public reaction and the impact this case has had on communities and the media landscape. The 1CSR funds scam has sent shockwaves across the community, igniting a fierce public outcry. News outlets have been a blaze, detailing the scam's intricate deceptions and the subsequent betrayal felt by countless individuals and communities. As media outlets shed light on this financial catastrophe, they amplify the voices of those affected, painting a vivid picture of heartbreak and loss. In homes and streets, discussions echo a collective sense of disbelief and anger. Families recount the toll this fraud has taken, not just on their finances, but on their lives and dreams. The media plays a crucial role, acting as a watchdog, ensuring that the gravity of this scam remains at the forefront of public consciousness. Through relentless coverage, the media highlights how critical it is for legal frameworks to hold perpetrators accountable. This public outrage is more than just noise. It's a demand for justice and change. As we look towards the potential outcomes, one thing remains clear. Society's resilience is being tested, and the call for accountability grows louder by the day. As we reach the conclusion of our journey through the intricate web of the CSR funds scam, we must pause to reflect on the cornerstone of legal accountability. The plea in the Kerala High Court serves as a beacon of hope, emphasizing the vital role of the judiciary in safeguarding the interests of countless individuals affected by such deceitful practices. This case reminds us that financial scams can strike at the heart of trust, undermining the very fabric of our society. It is imperative that we remain watchful, armed with knowledge and awareness, to prevent future transgressions. The implications of this legal battle stretch far beyond the courtroom. They resonate with every investor, every family impacted by financial fraud. The potential long-term outcomes of these proceedings could set a precedent, strengthening the framework designed to deter such crimes. As we look to the future, we must continue to advocate for transparency and accountability in financial dealings. Let this serve as a call to action, a reminder that justice is not just the responsibility of the courts, but a collective duty. Together, we can build a more secure and just financial landscape, one where vigilance stands guard against deception. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of truth and justice. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and let us work together to ensure that scams like these become relics of the past.